Hey Eagles, welcome to the third episode of our Assembly series. This episode is going to be all about class officer and student body elections. Make sure to stay to the end of the video to find out who your candidates for next year are. Remember, it's super important to vote. Make sure your voice is heard.
Lately, I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. But baby, I've been praying hard. Said no more.
It's going down. I'm yelling timber. You better move. You better dance. Let's make a noise.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Voting will begin today, April 20th, so make sure you get your vote in. Voting will be closed on April 23rd, and the winners will be announced on April 24th, so make sure you get your vote in right away. You can vote on Voting for Schools, and that link will be posted in our Instagram bio.